Hey, welcome back to the Hand Toolery. I'm Andrew Malacy. Today we have a kid-friendly project that you can do for your summer fun. It's basically just going to be a little marshmallow stick that we're going to use from some really clean, untreated, unchemical touched wood. I just have a bunch of poplar here. It's never had paint or finish or anything anywhere near it. And basically, you want to make sure that if you're going to put food on it, you want it to have no chemical contamination. So make sure you pick something that you know where it's been and that you're sure that it hasn't been touched by something that you don't want to eat. In effect, we're just going to take a small square piece of wood and shape it with a spokeshave, a little bit with a chisel and saw. I'm going to do the chiseling, but my daughter will help me with the spokeshaving and the sawing. And if you want, you can even have your child use the saw to help you cut the piece to length. I have her use the saw because it's a very dull saw anyways, just to cut a little groove around where we're going to make the point of the marshmallow skewer end. And then we just do a lot of spoke shaving. It's up to you how much you want to get your kid involved, but just make sure that whatever you do, you are directly there supervising, of course. So I've got a piece here that's about a 1/2 inch square and it's about 2 feet long. I'm going to grab the end that's the end I want to be the handle, and I'm just going to more or less leave a little bit of, or some leftover, maybe what you might call the pommel. And then I'm gonna just mark here. So I've made a small mark. I'm gonna transfer that mark all the way around. And then that's what I'm gonna leave more or less as it is. Then from that point above, I'm gonna maybe make a little decorative element. And then I'm gonna taper this down to a point here and round it as well. I'm just gonna use a spoke shave and my daughter will help me with this. It's pretty simple. You're welcome. So grab, don't touch the bottom, touch only the sides. Touch the sides. Pull. Okay, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
We did 9. Now we'll do 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hey, you skipped 15.
16, 18, 14.
We're gonna flip this, okay?
Yeah, I can flip this.
Okay, now tighten it. Tighten. Great job. Okay, come on. Get back up. Okay, we're gonna start over right here.
Okay.
2 hands. Get used to your hands.
1, 2. How about in Spanish?
1, 2, 3. You want a pedazo? You want some strings?
Yeah.
Take some strings. They're your strings.
My strings.
Okay, what do you think of this? That's good, right?
Whoa, that's good, right?
That's really good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna draw a line right about there. Doesn't really matter. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're ready?
Yeah.
Wait, whoa.
Oi.
Okay, so we're gonna are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, go. Serra, serrando madeira do papai. Oh no! Oh, you caught my finger. Good thing it's not very sharp.
No.
Okay?
Cut your finger.
Oh, don't cut my finger. That's a good idea. Okay, ready to cut some more?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Grab the saw. Okay, here we go. Serra, serrando. Grab.
Ah! Your fingers.
Don't worry, I'm okay.
Okay. These are those
Keep going.
things. Okay, I keep going.
You're gonna keep going? All right, good job. I'm glad that you're gonna keep going. Okay, ready? I'm gonna connect. Finally, connect the line.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10. All right.
Alright.
Good job. You did it. All right. So we sawed a groove in the end of it, and right here I'm going to start tapering it into a fine point to skewer. Now this part the kids can't participate in. So you're gonna stand right here, okay?
Okay.
Don't touch anything. Are you gonna touch? Are you gonna touch? No. Don't touch. Okay. Right now we're gonna finish making the stick. Okay?
Yeah, I'm making a stick.
She's making a stick. Okay, so I'm gonna just do what I can to really gouge this thing out.
My eyes very hard to stab. It's very hard to wash. My hands are so make a stick. Make a stick a little bit. And faster. Fast.
I removed a bunch on the ends, and now I'm just gonna take more spokeshave to it. And the kids can help again once you sort of get it more or less shaped. We're gonna find some sandpaper.
Sandpaper! Yeah!
You wanna use some sandpaper?
Yeah!
Okay.
Sandpaper!
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it and you're gonna go like this. You're gonna rub it, okay?
Yeah. I gotta rub it.
You're gonna rub it, rub it, rub it. Can you hold the paper? Okay, twist the stick, twist it. Good job, twist the stick. Look at that. Blow. Blow. Great, that's perfect. That's great. You like it?
Yeah.
You know what this is for?
Yeah.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallow!
Don't wave it. Don't wave the stick. All right, you think it's done?
Yeah.
I think it's done. Let's look at it.
Yeah.
Cool, we have a handle. Can you say handle?
Handle.
Then we have a point. Can you say point?
Point.
All right, and this is a skewer.
A skewer.
Whoa, big word.
Big word.
All right, so you want to put some marshmallows on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's make a fire. You want to make a fire?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, you want to put a marshmallow on?
Yeah.
So take it.
I'll take
Put it on the end. Oh, wait. Okay, put it on the end. Good job. Be careful. All right, leave it like that. Great job.
Yeah.
All right, let's make your marshmallow.
Yeah.
Okay, remember we're gonna sit down. Okay. Oh, nada ainda. Não toca aqui, não toca aqui, não. Okay, wait, we have to choke at the end. Oh, it's getting, okay, get down, 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 down. Squat, 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 squat. Okay, let's show the camera. Ooh, do you like it?
Yeah.
Let's eat it. Okay, take it off and eat it. Oh, wow. Is it good?
Good.
Awesome. Do you like your stick?
Yeah.
All right. Ay, sai, fumaça. Okay, this is for you. Okay, wait for it to cool. Hold it. Wait for it to cool.
Your turn.
My turn. This is for Mommy.
Mommy, it's for you.
All right, let's go. Are you gonna eat it? Okay, eat it.
Huh?
Wow, how dramatic.